Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install the SoFi credit card autopay and balance alerts easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install the SoFi credit card autopay and balance alerts, start by opening the SoFi app on your device. Log into your SoFi account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the credit card section in the app. Look for the settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings to access the various features related to your credit card. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Autopay options. Select the Autopay option to begin setting it up. You will be prompted to choose your payment amount. Select whether you want to pay the minimum, the full balance, or a custom amount. Next, choose a payment date that works best for you each month. After setting your payment amount, confirm your choices by clicking on Save. Now, return to the Settings menu to set up balance alerts. Look for the Alerts section and tap on it. Select the option for Balance Alerts. You can customize the threshold for your balance alerts here. Choose how you would like to receive these alerts, either via push notifications or email. Once you have made your selections, click Save to finalize your alert setup. Review all settings to ensure everything is correct. You are now set up for both autopay and balance alerts on your SoFi credit card. Close the Settings menu and return to your main dashboard to confirm that your changes have been applied. Congratulations, you have successfully installed autopay and balance alerts for your SoFi credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.